Hello, 605 drivers. In this module, we will walk through the plate maintenance section of the dealer service portal. We're already logged into the account for our dealership, Miraculous Motors. In the new vehicle dealer panel, click the license plate and permit maintenance hyperlink. In the plate maintenance panel, dealers have transactions to view their available plates under that license and order new plates for their dealership as well. Click the Order Plates hyperlink, then click the Start button for the Order Plates section. Miraculous Motors dealer license information is displayed. Depending on the dealer license the dealer is working under, the plate types available will vary. Since we are working under the Miraculous Motors new vehicle dealer license, the options available are the Dealer 77, Dealer 88, and Driver's Education plates. Let's order 5 Dealer 77 plates. So from the plate drop down, select Dealer 77 plates. Then in the quantity field, enter 5. The tonnage is not required for this plate type, but if it was needed, the tonnage would be a required field. Now that we've entered the number of plates we need to order, the transaction amount in the top right corner has updated. Let's click the Next button. Then let's click the Start button for the transaction fees section. Here, dealers can review the fee breakdown. The plate fees will include the cost of the plates as well as the mailing fee. Click the Next button. All the sections are green and marked as complete. The last thing left to do is pay for these plates. Click the Add to Cart button. This is the only transaction our dealer needs to complete today. Click the Checkout button. Select the testing payment from our payment options. When we roll out, the payment options listed will be for a credit card or bank account, and users will then be redirected to a third-party site to submit payment information. But for training purposes, we have used our simulated test payment to move past this. Let's click the Next button, and then the Next button again. The last step is to confirm the plate order. In the password field, our logged in dealer will enter their password, mmotors1 exclamation point. This acts as a signature for the order. We'll click the Submit button. The order has been submitted, and we can click the OK button to dismiss this confirmation screen. Now, click the View Plates hyperlink. Once the plate order is approved, the plate IDs and expiration dates will be viewable by clicking the View Plates hyperlink under Plate Maintenance. Click the Dealer Services hyperlink to return to the logged in homepage. And that's all we had for this module.